Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 31st of August till 6th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's start for my Leos today from 31st of August till 6th of September, please. Alright, so 3 shuffles for my Leos, please. 31st September to 31st of August to 6th of September. Alright, so I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay. So at the back of the deck, it's the 8 of Swords. So this is an energy where you feel trapped over here. I'm really getting that you are feeling trapped. You are feeling that you are not able to move. You are not able to decide anything because there is constantly someone who is telling you that no, this is right, no, this is wrong. So this is that energy where things are hidden and you don't know what is actually going on because your eyes are closed. See how this lady's eyes are closed. So your eyes are closed and you don't know what is right and wrong, because whatever the people are telling you, this is right, this is wrong, and you are believing in that thing. So for some of you, all right, so please do not just go in the illusion whatever is being shown to you. Please do not, if you are in that state, and things are really hidden over here. Okay, so you don't know the exact situation right now. Okay, so in your past energies, you have the Two of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune and the Empress. So I'm seeing a lot of trust is here, a lot of change, a lot of happy moments. I'm really getting a lot of good things were here, trust and loyalty and happiness, growth, maturity, that thing, and a partnership, a beautiful partnership. So things are really going well over here. Your present energies are the Moon, Page of Swords and the World. So it has taken a U-turn now. Whatever was happening, you have found out, because with the Moon and the Page of Swords, it was a hidden investigation which was done by you or by someone for you. So this is something which has come up in the limelight now. Okay, so whatever was hidden has come up in the surface with the world over here. So the things have actually appeared in front of you. They are no more hidden. That is why someone is trying to explain that it was not that, it wasn't like that. I really hear cheating over here for some of you. You might be dealing with someone who has cheated on you and you found out, but now they are saying that no, the things were not like that, something like that. Your future energies, we have 10 of Swords, King of Cups and the King of Pentacles over here. So things are really coming to an end, but it's more about your your emotional side, like what you will do, because there are two things which are coming up with the King of Cups and the King of Pentacles. Like, what are you going towards? Where are you going towards? Like towards your emotional side or towards something, because you were happy in the situation. So we will clarify what it actually means over here. Let's see why the 8 of Swords is here in your overall energy. 6 of Swords. So I'm getting that you do not want to stay in this chaotic zone. You don't want to be here. You want to be far, somewhere, very far from. Might be traveling over here as well. You might even travel. You want to travel to some other place, like basically going away from a chaotic moment wherever you are in. With the Seven of Wands over here, I'm getting that, and you are going to do this, or you have already done this. Your energy is telling you to do this, to take a stand and to move on, not to be here, because you have understood that, whatever is happening in front of you, people are trying to trap you by their emotional talks, by their lovey-dovey talks. So you know that this is all illusion, this is all the fake mask which the person is actually has worn. So that is why you are not in that zone. You know that, at least. Wow, that is really good, that you know what is real and what is fake, you know the difference. Let's see why the Two of Cups is here in your past. Ace of Pentacles. So things are really going good with the Ace of Pentacles and Two of Cups. This might be your soulmate as well. With someone you have started a partnership over here as well, where you have investigated some of your money and you were in a partnership for some of you. But the things were good, okay? Let's see why the Wheel of Fortune is here. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here. The Knight of Cups over here. The Knight of Cups is telling me that, where you are in a state with a change, whatever the change is happening, you never knew. Because with the Wheel of Fortune, the wheel was already turning in your past. Okay, so things were really different. Things, whatever is happening now, it has already started in the past. Because with the Knight of Cups, it is telling that the person or the people around you, they tried to manipulate, because I am getting a very manipulative energy. I am getting an energy because the Knight of Cups is the playboy card of the deck, and with Knight of Cups, it always means that you are around someone, or that person, he really knows how to make you happy, how to be, good in front of you, how to but whenever you lose your temper, how to how to make you the way you actually want to be. So that is someone who knew you very well. Let's see why the Empress is here. This might be a mother as well in some of you, where you were manipulated by a family member, a nurturer, a caretaker, a mother, elder sister. Let's see why the Empress is here. Ten of Wands with the Eight of Swords. Alright, so someone in your family, somebody whom you always trusted. So that is why I really heard the word trust in the starting. I got the word trust. The person whom you trusted a lot, somebody betrayed you. I'm getting that, some kind of a betrayal, some kind of a, that this person will never cheat on me, this person will never do anything wrong to me, because this person knows this does not has to be a life partner, a love relation only. No, this is more than that, in fact. Okay, so somebody who makes you happy, somebody who is with you all the time, might be a family member, a friend, a good person whom you have always trusted on. Okay, that might be this. Let's see why the Moon is here in your present energies. Why the Moon is here in your present energies for my Leos. So many cards. Why the Moon is here? What is the thing? Why the Moon is here? Knight of Swords. Alright, what else do we have with Knight of Swords and the Moon? I'm getting ego issues. Okay, so ego, basically the thing is ego over here, which has come up in front of you now. If someone is cheating, might be for some of you, but more than that, it is like, when you achieve the place, when you achieve the standards, when you are known for your high standards life. So at that time you feel that you are the ruler of the world, you are the king of the world, and that time only a lot of ego arises. And this person, and it came really fast, so I really feel that the success in someone's life came really fast, and that is the reason why somebody started to ignore you, why your problem arose, because of someone else's success, fame. Okay, I'm not getting it's your energy over here, this is more about someone else's energy. Okay, so let's see why the page of swords is here. 10 of pentacles. So yeah, a family member might be investigating on you. Okay, so beware. Let's see the world over here with the 4 of cups. Okay, I'm really getting that somebody over here is not accepting the change with the world and the 4 of cups, like rejecting what is actually in front of you, not being happy. This might be you, because this is more than change, this is like your life experience, your life's lesson. And you are not that person who will just go with all the shit and still move on. No, from your side, it's a no. Let's see why the 10 of swords is here in your future energies. 10 of swords, please. Knight of pentacles and 8 of pentacles. So your energies are really coming up. So this is a very focusing energy. This is an energy where a person really works a lot. A lot of effort is applied in a relationship, in a business, in your work, whatever you are doing. So you are focusing on something which is not actually giving you. So this is not that focus. I'm not saying that you are working on already a broken relationship. No, you're not working on that. You are working on yourself, and you are moving on from this kind of a relationship where a lot of betrayals happen. So you are not in that zone anymore. This might take some time with the Knight of Pentacles over here, when you really have to just you put all your effort and put all your analyzing powers towards your work only, not on any other person, because you are actually seen as a person over here who is more into your work, a career oriented person, a goal oriented, whatever goals you have fixed up in your life, you are working on that thing now. You are not your emotions. Let's see why is this King of Cups over here. 9 of, yeah, I had this in my mind, yes. With the 9 of Wands, it's like blocking all the emotional energies and working on yourself. Okay, so you're really, because things were really good. Actually, you saw them good in your past. It was portrayed to you very beautiful, but a very happy family, happily ever after kind of a family, it was portrayed to you, but the things were not. Things were hidden, and it came to limelight, and now you are more focusing on yourself. Okay, so that's all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.